out in Carlsbad, California. Made time for the Nike outlet. And I did hear that they redid the entire place. Looks like a Nike Unite store. Holy cow. Of course, we have to see what's going on in the back wall. 30% off clearance. Starting with the smaller sizes, size 8, 110 for the penny twos. Adjust forces, 120 for these. These should go for a hell of a lot. Undercover mocks right here, 160 for those. Jumpman Team 1s. These are size 11, 120. Mac Attacks. And these bad boys, 130. More of these penny twos. These are size 9, 140. Airspan 2s, $60. Luca 2s. These are size 8, 110 for these. Size 10 Adjust Forces going for 90. Hella red though. Is that? No, that's orange. Hella orange. Got some LeBrons. These are an 8.5. We've been seeing a ton of these for $100 on the back walls. Yeah, that's an awful color and it's patent leather. Let's put it back. Yeah, but $70 after the discount. Some GT Hustles right here, size 7, 120. Seeing these in a bunch of sizes right here. Got the recycle box and everything. Jordan 39s. 160 for these bad boys. I called them Jordan 29s on the last video. I corrected it though. I even wrote it when I edited it out. Y'all don't want to look at the subtitles when they have them or when I have them. Size 13s right here, 180 for the Green Glow Jordan 1 highs. Size 12 right here, 50 for the Witness 7s. Seeing if they mispriced any of these because we saw that on the last video. 160. Air Max 95s go for 140. Next gens right here, $100. Is it me or have we seen a ton of these Noctas at every outlet? 180, size 8. And they supposedly have refurbs. I haven't really seen many, to be really honest. These are cheap. The Romelios go for 100. Got some Cosmic Unities right here. These are the 2s. Size 12 go for 100. More of these Witnesses. These are an 8 though, go for 70. I've been hearing from quite a few of you guys that you guys have been finding a bunch of steals here, a bunch of deals. Not really finding anything too crazy so far. We did hit that back wall. We hit the side wall as well. Let's go check out the aisles. Actually, let's check out the clearance apparel. They only have one rack though. Only have one rack. Everything else is 20% off. That's kind of disappointing. Wow. This is kind of a tourist trap though, because people do come to Legoland and stuff. $50 for whatever the hell that is. A weird looking polo go for $50. Nike running pullover go for 48. Bunch of these oh no, I thought these were WW last time. These are Jordan jerseys, hella orange, go for 25. You get 30 off. Some sweats, extra long and tall. These are going for 70. And 7 shorts right here. These are definitely interesting. Are these swimming trunks? These are swimming trunks. I see ball catchers inside. These are going for 40. Tech fleece right here, 110 for these. Yeah, not much. USA Team USA shirt right here. This is a medium, go for 40. But yeah, not much. 75 for this one right here, double XL. All right, of course we got to check to see what's going on in the aisles. I'm looking so forward to checking out the women's section, see if they have anything. Zoom separates right here. I'm hoping I can find some refurbs or something here. Not seeing much heat in the men's. I'm hoping I find something in the women's, but look at this. Bunch of non-signature J's. Do got plenty of budget signature basketball shoes as well. The Immortality 2s, Katie Trey 5 10s. And then what are these? Luca 2s go for 95. You do get an extra 30 off because it says right there. Next gen, seen a million of those. Also see plenty of Witness 7s. Dude, and then a bunch of generic Revolutions, Windflows, that type of stuff. Then I guess they do have some jumbo blazers. Some of these acronym blazer lows right here with the 3D printed back. Got some dunks. Then a couple of forces right here. Then a lot of stuff going for retail too, man. Damn, dude. This place closes in 45 minutes. It is packed as hell. And yeah, this is the women's section right here. Size 12 women. They asking for the full 135 for these dunks. These dunks are nice. Don't get me wrong, they're like a premium or something because it is all suede. Way better than the regular typical dunks, but 135 did get 30% off, so about close to 100 bucks. Air Max 97s, these bad boys, these are size 11, go for 110. I think these dunks just made it out the aisles because I see plenty of them. Got some Dunk Low Twist right here, $90, size 8 women's. I've seen so many of these lately. These are size 6 women's right here, going for 100 bucks. More of these twists go for 90. Not really seeing much, you guys. Not really seeing much. Man, dang it. Wait, I walked by this earlier. I didn't even see these. Hold on, let's look around here. Vaporfly Next Percents right here. They're asking for the full price, though. No discount or nothing. Damn, 275, 285. Jordan 3 Black Cement cleats right here. These are dope as hell. These are dope as hell. Man, these are fire, dude. These are baseball cleats right here, specifically for baseball, but they're asking for the full price though, man. That's dope, 10.5. Got some Jordan 1 lows right here, 125. Vomero 5s right here. They're asking for a full 160 for these. We've been seeing these on sale everywhere. Some Sakai waffles right here, go for 170. They trying to get regular price for this? Really? Really? Come on now, man. All right, man. They ain't talk about nothing. They ain't talk about nothing. Ooh, I missed this section right here for men's. Damn, I missed that section too. My bad, you guys. My bad, dude. Got the Air Force Ones right here. This is the Virgil Off-White collab. 165 for these bad boys. Dude got the Jordan 3s right here. Jordan 1s. They got so many of those. They got 2 displays for those. Jordan 2s. Got some dunks right here. Then I missed this entire aisle right here for the men's earlier. My bad, you guys. Dude got the 7 infrared whites. Jordan 2 Christmas colorway. Got Jordan 1 low OGs. Jordan 1 high OGs. Then some 270s. Go for way too much. Air Max 90s also go for way too much. Yeah, man. Everything's regular price. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Really? And then also got the 2017s right here. Just man, prices is high as hell here, man. Damn, doggies. All right, now we're moving over to the women's right here. Got some Forces. Got some corduroy Air Force Ones right here. All kinds of different material. These are interesting as hell. These are some shadows. So they got 2 of everything. 100 bucks. Another shadow right here. Plethora of blazers. At least 3 of them. Well, there's 4 right here. Got some Pegasus Trail 4s for you hikers. Infinity Run Finding 3s. Then a bunch of generics for the women. Dang, dude. Checking out the Great Skull. Dude got Luka 2s. Jordan 2 lows. Then not much else. A bunch of generics again. Revolutions. Yeah, stuff that none of you guys are really asking for. Got a couple of Forces there, but they're going for 90 and 100. So I think that's retail, right? That's retail for, yeah, 90 and, oh, this is 70 at least. A little bit better. If you look at the racks, if you look at some of the stuff that they have, does not look like a traditional Nike outlet. It looks more like a Unite store. I know not everybody has access to Unite stores, so a lot of you guys haven't seen that, but definitely a different look. Unite stores are kind of a mixture of like the retail stores and the outlets. 75, you did get an extra 20% off of those. 40% off golf gear right here. That includes a bunch of different polos at, what, $40 for the blue ones? Are they different prices or the same prices? Sometimes the same, sometimes it's different. $40 for the green. These peach ones, $50. You do get 40% off all those. Then you also get these slacks right here. You know, Nike slacks are not cheap. $60. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Normally $85. And got more polos right here as well. Definitely a solid deal. $55 for the slacks back there. Got Jordan shorts right here. 30% off. These are hella bright. God, Lee, these are bright. But yeah, $50 for these. And these black ones right here. At least you get 30% off. It does have a little graphics on the lower left. $50 for those, 30 off. Not seen too much. Not seen too much. You know what? I'm gonna cut this short. We do have an Adidas outlet. They've been having 70% off, so let's go cover that. I just realized That last Adidas store, I think it was 70% off. I think that was a clearance store. This one entire store up to 60% off. Let's look around. One of kind of a typical Adidas outlet, not too big. And of course, straight to the back wall. See what we find here. And straight to the back wall, because this is where you find the best steals, best deals. And you also find a bunch of stuff that's not marked. That's the thing that sucks. $100. Oh, this is not the right box though. What would they give that to me for? But I don't really need a size 11. You got the old schools right here, the SL72s. Go for $100. Is that 60 off or what? I did talk to one of the workers. They said 50 off, pretty much everything off the back wall. I've never seen these. These look like some boots or something. Pure Boost, or the Explorer Boost puffers. What the hell? Yeah, $60. So yeah, these are down to 65 after the 50% off. Yeah, I'm convinced that the Alpine location, the Adidas outlet, that's a clearance store, dude. That's a clearance store. They had 70% off pretty much the entire store. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a clearance store. But yeah, do you got Trae Youngs right here? These have not been moving. That's why they're 55. You did get 50% off. So what is that? $27.50. So I found the clearance section for men. Right here, this is not included in the promotion. I don't even see a clearance section for women. Holy cow. Holy cow, this outlet sure is something. Damn, dude, what the hell? All right, I am checking the women's section, seeing if they have any deals on Ultra Boost. $100 ain't bad, but I just picked my last one up for what? $38.50, so yeah, nothing close to that. That one's 65. That one's going for 100. This one looks pretty decent. Like the round laces on some of these, $100 for these. The OGs 1.0s right here with flat laces go for 100. Black upper right here, white bottoms. Like I like these, but I can't stand them because that white turns yellow after a while, and I hate the way that looks. I'm not a fan of the way that looks after a while. But yeah, these are 65, which isn't bad. I need a size 7 for somebody. Ooh, there's a size 7. These always juke me whenever I see them at Marshalls and stuff like that. These are the Ultra Bounce, pretty much the same upper as the Ultra Boost, but they just use Alpha Bounce. Have you guys ever tried these? Are they comfortable? They're only $60, and they look very similar to the Ultra Boost. Let me know if you guys have tried those. More sales on the women's. These are down to 95. Got a ton of these Ultra Boost lights. I've heard in the comment section that these are not the same as the OG Ultra Boost. I heard the Ultra Boost lights they're not as bouncy. But that from several of you guys, and I don't know, I wouldn't be surprised. It just doesn't seem to feel the same. They have a few more of these OG Ultra Boost right here. Yeah, it feels a little bit softer. But I haven't tried those, so I can't tell you guys for sure. But yeah, I got a few more for 100. And 100 is not bad. I've just been able to find them for so cheap. And then in the men's section, much of the same, 100 or 190. So what? $95 for most of these. Bunch of Ultra Boost lights. You got some 4Ds right here. I think that's 100. That's 100. That's 100. And got some older Ultra Boost right here. All the 1.0s. Got a little bit of leather on that one. And I like these Ultra Boosts where the midsole is a different color. You don't have to worry about all the yellowing like these right here. These ain't bad though. $100 for these. I swear the women's colorway of this one, that's the one that I found for like 25 bucks. I wish I bought a couple more. But it is what it is. Ultra Boost ones. This one with the crazy midsole. What does it say? Adidas Flow with Love? Let Love? I don't know. $100. Like a Valentine's Day one, right? Got a few more going for 100. A Solar Thon right here. Okay. Guess different upper on that one. Okay, they do have this in the men's. They have another one going for 65. But yeah, the rest of them go for 100. This one is hella soft. This one got leather. It also has some stitching that you can see. Yeah, 100 for these. And one last one right here. I think this clearance section is for men's and women's. Just not finding much here. Also not finding much out here as well. They got some gazelles and stuff like that for 80, stuff that we've seen, but not really seen too much. I'm not gonna lie, just not too much. This is what's the up to 60% off. Got a clearance on apparel, apparently a bunch of polos that are hella bright. 41 down to 60, not bad, but they're just hella bright. Got some bougie looking shorts if that's what you're into. 52 for those. We got some regular color ones here as well. I guess 35 for those. 60% off, that makes them hella cheap. And they do have hoodies and stuff like that. Oh, jackets right here, zip up jackets. These are fleece, $63. These are 50% off, so not bad, not bad. Did come to Legoland. Let's see what we see here. We haven't been to Legoland in like what, 6-7 years. Look at this, look at this. These some weak rides, dude. Weak rides, dude. Holy cow! It's like this is like one of those carnivals, But yeah, this is for younger kids, man. I don't think my kids gonna want to come here anymore.
Finally, extreme peaceful setting.
Pretty cool ride. Now headed to the water park. They have a water park inside. You have to pay extra, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, most of Legoland a little too kiddish for a 14-year-old. My kid's 14. He's on the water slide, or he's about to get on the water slide. This is more of our speed right here. This is what we enjoy. Yeah, they got a big old. Oh, that one doesn't dump every couple minutes. That other one over there does. Slides aren't super scary, but yeah, you get water splashing and stuff. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. The kiddos riding this pirate ride. I can't even take a picture of them. So many gates right here, so might as well get a video of all the water splashing. All kinds of water. Then I can get them fools. I can get them fools right here. Couple last things. We are from LA, so gotta show SoFi. Kind of cool that they even have the inside. Kind of dope. Chargers versus the Rams. They even have a little scoreboard right here. Look at this. Graphics and stuff. That's kind of cool. Dang, didn't sell out. Look. Didn't sell out. Spent the entire day at Legoland. I was too lazy to film all of it. End up finishing up at the shop. Pay for some overpriced stuff. Maybe. Probably not. I don't know. Then they say, get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Maybe I could hit up Carlsbad. Let's go. Like y'all like Carlsbad? Maybe? Maybe? Question mark? Done with Legoland, so we are stopping by the Carlsbad outlet. They have Tesla supercharger. My sister, brother-in-law, them fools can charge their Teslas. And then that gives me time to hit up the Nike outlet. Let's go.